Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Is your balcony barely wider than a hallway? Don't worry, you don't need extra space to create something extraordinary. Even the narrowest balcony can be turned into a relaxing sanctuary, a morning coffee nook, or a charming vertical garden with just a few clever touches. Whether you live in a high-rise apartment or a cozy townhouse, today's ideas will open your eyes to what's possible. From space-saving seating to magical lighting, I've gathered the most inspiring ways to style your slim outdoor space beautifully. So grab your cup of tea, cozy up, and let's dive into 5 creative and chic ways to transform your narrow balcony into the retreat of your dreams. The classic bistro look isn't just Parisian, it's perfect for narrow balconies too. Think foldable cafe-style chairs and a slim metal or wooden table that tucks neatly away when not in use. Add a cushion or two in soft, muted tones or bold stripes for a touch of personality. A small vase of fresh flowers or a vintage lantern on the table adds charm without clutter. This setup is ideal for morning coffees or evening wind downs, all while enjoying the fresh air and city views. And because everything folds, you'll have flexibility without sacrificing style. Want to take it up a notch? Add a portable mini bar cart or a plant stand beside your bistro table for extra flair. Use the vertical space on the railing or wall to hang a set of string lights or outdoor-friendly art pieces. It's your own European-inspired escape in the sky. When floor space is tight, think up, not out. Vertical gardening is one of the smartest, most beautiful solutions for narrow balconies. You can use a ladder shelf, stacked planters, or even mount wall pockets filled with herbs, succulents, or trailing ivy. Choose plants that thrive in your light conditions, like lavender, mint, or spider plants, and watch your space come alive with texture and color. To make it look curated, stick to a color theme for your pots: terracotta for a rustic look, whites and creams for a minimalist vibe, or go bold with cobalt blues or emerald greens. Adding a few hanging plants from the ceiling, like ferns or string of pearls, will draw the eye upward and make your balcony feel lush and luxurious. Imagine sinking into a low bench, soft pillows at your back, a book in hand, and a gentle breeze brushing past. Even if your balcony is narrow, a built-in or DIY bench along the wall or railing can be the ultimate space saver. Add layered cushions and natural fabrics like linen or cotton, and don't shy away from throws. Even in warmer weather, they add visual coziness. To complete the look, place a tiny side table for your drinks or books, and roll out a weather-resistant rug to define the space. This design is perfect for those who love slow mornings or curling up with a glass of wine at sunset. Bonus tip: storage benches double up as places to hide gardening tools or off-season decor, making the most of every inch. If you're enjoying these stylish ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I post weekly videos with home decor inspiration, styling tips, and smart solutions for small spaces. Give this video a like if it's sparking your creativity and leave a comment below. Tell me, how would you love to decorate your balcony? I love hearing your ideas and suggestions. Want your balcony to feel like a mini vacation spot? The bohemian style might be your perfect match. Layer textures with macrame wall hangings, rattan furniture, and cozy floor cushions. Go for a soft earthy palette, creams, beiges, blush tones, or mix in some jewel tone pillows for that relaxed, eclectic flair. A narrow balcony is ideal for a floor sitting area with poofs and a low table. Add fairy lights draped across the railing or above for a warm, magical glow in the evenings. And don't forget a few candle lanterns or tea light holders for extra ambiance. If you want privacy, hang light sheer curtains or use a bamboo screen. It softens the space and makes it feel more like an outdoor room. Sometimes less really is more. If your idea of luxury is calm, clean, and clutter-free, create a Zen-inspired retreat. Choose a narrow wooden bench or a floor mat with a small meditation cushion. Add a couple of plants like bamboo or bonsai, and perhaps a tabletop water fountain for the soothing sound of trickling water. Stick with a neutral color scheme, grays, whites, and light wood tones, and let the simplicity shine. Use pebbles or smooth stones in a tray as natural decor, and if you want to add lighting, go for minimal lanterns or solar-powered LED strips under the railing. It's peaceful, intentional, and perfect for quiet moments or morning yoga stretches, even in a tiny space. No matter how narrow your balcony may be, with a little creativity and thoughtful design, you can turn it into one of the most inspiring spots in your home. From bistro charm to Zen minimalism, your small space has big potential. If this video gave you some fresh ideas, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more home styling tips and decor guides coming soon. Like this video if you're feeling inspired to revamp your balcony, and leave a comment sharing which style you loved most. Your dream outdoor escape is just a few steps away. Why not start today?